Who doesn't love a faux plant in their house? And this is a shorter tree. It's not real tall. It probably comes to about maybe my shoulders, maybe a little below my shoulders. So it's not really tall, but it gives a nice accent. The base of it is really tiny, so if this is gonna maybe put this behind a table, behind a nightstand or something like that, would be fine, just to give you that floral
We have it here in our office. This is to show you how big it is. We put some little Christmas lights on it. And what we like most is how bendy the leaves are. So you can make it as full or as indifferent as you like. But it looks really natural here. It's not dusty at all. And it comes in this nice little braided natural pot. Like other listings, they don't come in that, so it just skips one step. But really love how you can bend these and really fill up the space, especially when we take product photos with it behind. So this is our 56-inch little office tree to give some love and light in here where you need it most.